I received this Corne V4 keyboard from New Macro today. First impressions was that the box was pretty decent. The packaging overall was 9 out of 10. And after some fair share of keycaps and key switches, arduous hard work, how does this one go in here? Oh my god. I finally got one side of it done. Nevertheless, after continuing my arduous key switching, and after that, I found a lot of crap in my old keyboard. And of course, I did the left hand as well. After this, it's time to put on the key switches. And after that, my battery died. But I'll post a link to the photo of what it looks like at the end in the description. And overall, I rate New Macro 9.5 out of 10 for this awesome split Corne keyboard. This is Corne V4 and this is the Banana Beam, and you're watching Keyboard Reviews. Bye bye. Peace out.